a business plan to paper and seeking equity funding is not that simple for young tech entrepreneurs aspiring to make it big, but government has made that possible. Through Startup Jamaica, app developers representing 60 companies were taken through a vigorous bootcamp to test the viability of their products. From there, 10 were selected to go on to an accelerator program to further advance their products for financing, marketing, and business potential locally and overseas. And then it was time to seal the deal.
What we're trying to do here is to take young Jamaicans who have great ideas, who are extremely talented, but who need mentorship, business guidance, support, and access to capital, and provide them with those opportunities so that they can convert ideas into businesses.
And the business it has become for the first set of companies coming out of Startup Jamaica. We focus on 3 today: Revo Farm, CrimeBot, and the Vine List. All have secured equity funding of $30,000 from Oasis 500 in Jordan.
It shows that there is value in what you're doing and people actually see value, but at the same time it lets you know that you are now responsible for the growth of your company, as there are external people involved now. It's not just in your head anymore, it's actually happening for real.
This is going to be a great opportunity, first of all because this is the first round of investment, and so in terms of demonstrating to others, especially for later capital injections or later follow-on capital coming into the company, this is a demonstration of value. Somebody has taken the first step to invest in you.
A key partner in Startup Jamaica, the World Bank has been making contact with companies and getting them on board.
It feels great to have someone on board outside of our current ecosystem who also believes in the product, and we look forward to what they can do for us and what we can learn from them.
Participants receive half of the investment in cash to support their businesses. The remainder comes in the form of training, mentorship, and technical support to get their companies ready for the global stage. That takes place in Jordan between April and July 2015 during a 100-day accelerator program with the participants.
We are very excited to go and learn and not only bring back investment, which is very good, but also to bring back capital, that's mental capital, that we can assist other startups in bringing their companies to the level that we have been.
Now, this 100 days program will really equip them and with world-class tools and experiences to be able to then go in front of larger investors and really pitch the idea for a much bigger product and service that whatever they're working on to be able to access scalable opportunities on a global level.
Oasis has a very high success rate where 80% of those who go through their acceleration process get follow-on funding, because they work within the entrepreneurs to refine their ideas so that they are business ready and investment ready.
The apps developed by these young entrepreneurs will offer solutions to our everyday lives.
Our intent is to eradicate crime or even bring it to its lowest point.
And to do so without fear, using the CrimeBot platform to report crime and remain unidentified. As for farmers,
Our app will first give them a planting season tool that they'll be able to use. So this tool will be able to look at the weather, the soil type, and the marketability of the crop they're about to plant. And this tool will advise them on that.
and if you don't know where to find that particular item you want, don't worry.
What we did is we built something that allowed someone to pretty much post the products they're looking for specifically, and we made that accessible to merchants.
Their foundations were laid at Digital Jam 3.0 Caribbean Edition, hosted by the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining. CrimeBot emerged the overall winner.
The feeling is unbelievable. It's rare that we get a chance to actually make a difference. And the win tells us that we can make a difference. And going forward, it just means that our next step is to do many things. Start here in Jamaica, which is where we actually started the platform, and try to expand to the Caribbean, and then further across the world if possible. And that's really the limit of CrimeBot, the world.
That was March 2014. Now, fast forward to 2015. The team is once again reaping success through government's entrepreneur building initiative, Startup Jamaica, and commended the program.
What they're doing is highly important because ideas are here and the persons who have the ideas don't necessarily have what it takes to get it to market. So them facilitating this through Startup Jamaica will mean the gains will be exceptional in the long term. I mean, ideas that would be on paper would now become products. So it's a great program and hopefully continues.
It's very important. Capital is a very big deal. And for a company that's not this traditional to Jamaica, it's very hard to find people who are willing to invest. So when you do get that capital, it helps to push you forward and help you take the next step that's necessary to growing a young company.
It is a very good idea and it is something that is very needed because in Jamaica here we have a lot of brilliant minds, persons who are developers like myself who are looking for opportunities to assist them business-wise and also to assist them in projecting themselves so that they can become more attractive and so that they can grow from being an idea to being a product and become profitable. So I think it's a very good thing.
These are the trailblazers, charting the course for others that will follow, and the government is right there, putting them in contact with partners to make reality of their business ideas.